Good morning dear students, welcome to science class. In previous class we have discussed about the natural resources and the types of natural resources, that is inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Today we will discuss about the coal, how it is formed, where it is used and what are their different products. So coal is actually black and hard combustible substance, is one of the fuel used to cook food. It is also used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine and used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. It is also used in various industries like cement, paper, steel, iron, etc. So there are different uses of coal. It is also used as a fuel in vehicles. So now we see how coal is formed. What is the story behind it? About 300 million years ago, our earth was covered with dense forests and swamps having huge trees and other leafy plants. As these trees and other plants died, due to some natural disaster or some other reason, they fell down on the wet and swampy floor of the forest and begins to sink into the soil. As more soil deposited over them, so they are compressed, and the temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. So under high pressure and temperature, the dead plants got slowly converted to coal, and the slow conversion of dead trees and other plants into coal is called the carbonization. The process is known as carbonization, right? Now what are the different type of coals? As coal is mainly classified into three types, that is anthracite, which contain 90% carbon and it appears shiny black and very hard. Other is bituminous, that contains 60% carbon, which is black in color and very easily break. Another is lignite, that is contain 40% carbon, brown in color and softer. So these are the three main types of coal in which have different percentage of carbon. Now what happens when coal is burnt? Burning of coal is a very serious problem, as we all know that coal contain carbon, and when carbon burn, it create pollution in the environment. So when coal burn, it produces carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and a lot of smoke. And we know that carbon dioxide is the main content of greenhouse gas and it causes global warming. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide also produces, that causes acid rain. What happens if coal is heated in the absence of air? When coal is heated in the absence of oxygen or air, useful products like coke, coal gas and coal tar are formed. So first we discuss about coke. Coke is a grayish black in color but is not as shiny as coal and its texture is very rough. So when coal is heated in the absence of air, the volatile impurities and moisture gets removed. Volatile impurities means the impurities which can be easily converted into vapor on heating. So the solid left behind is the coke. Coke contains approximately 98% carbon and it is used in the extraction of metals like iron and in the preparation of fuel gases like the producer gases and water gases. So we can say that coke is a better fuel than coal because coke does not produce smoke on burning and also coke produces more heat on burning as compared to coal. Now the next product is coal gas. So when coal is heated in the absence of air, a gas called coal gas is obtained. Coal gas is used as an important industrial fuel in the and it produces a lot of heat on burning. So coal gas was used for street lighting for many years as it produces a luminous flame on burning. Luminous which have their own shine and have light, right? So this is about coal gas, and another product is formed, that is coal tar. Coal tar obtained when coal is heated in the absence of air, and it is a dark blacky oily liquid with very unpleasant smell, and coal tar contains many useful chemicals, and these chemicals can be used to make like dyes, ink, detergent, insecticides and artificial fiber.